Ibuka, what has come over you? Look at the way you're shouting, ranting. Can't you have a moment of peace in this house?
I've had it to here. I've had enough. Enough! You must leave my father's house, whether you like it or not. If you don't want to leave my father's house alive, I will take you out there.
He's not even picking his call. I hope he will not mess this one up for me. Ibuka.
Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Aren't you grown enough to have your own woman? Have your own wife?
And you think, because of that boy you want to get married to, you had to bring it up again to force me into giving you my blessing?
But a snake sheds off its skin has never made it lose its stinging threats. Ben will never change. A he-goat will always be a he-goat.
This is an office, for God's sake. Why is someone walked in on us? What stupid explanation do you have to give for this stunt you just pulled right now?
The barrister, I want to give my husband the power of attorney over my late father's properties.
And the courts bring in someone, a stranger, into my company to decide my fate, to decide what I take and what I do not take in this company, right?
You have tested my patience far too long, and I will no longer let it slide. You are hereby suspended indefinitely.
So, why did you come?
What sort of dumb question is that?
I need you to leave my office at once and do not, for the sake of your own life, try this again.
You're nothing but a dog.
I know, and I love you too.
If you're not the first one, then who?
Me. Wait, after seeing the 4 walls of the university, graduating 2-1 graduate.
You will lose this pregnancy again, since you haven't learned your lessons.
Can you hear yourself speak? That 1 year is not enough, but you are a master in going after everything in sketch within the company premises.
Chizzy, my own decision is come and it will hit you so hard